Today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter for a Subaru 2025. I was quoted $140, but it's a $20 product, so I'm going to show you right now. Going to the driver's side, underneath here, we pull this tab. Come to the front and put your hand underneath the hood. There should be a lever underneath. You pull that, and you push it up. So the engine air filter is right here. Make sure the engine's a little cool, but it doesn't really matter. Now you come over here, the tab, pull up, push down, and then just grab it out. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Doing this with one hand is a little tricky. Okay, two hands. It looks a little dirty, but not too bad. Once you pull this out, you can set this aside. Grab the clean one. And then pop it back in. Oh, I cannot do this with one hand. So once you get over here, just if it's a little stuck, just push the thing back, wiggle it in, push down, push in until it's snug. Once it's snug, it's perfect fit. Then you just close it. All done. This was a $140 job with a $20 part. Thank you for watching.